Hello everybody, welcome back to Lady Fire's Kitchen, and today I have a special treat for you. I don't do a lot of sweets, but today I'm going to do a pumpkin flan, especially for today because it's Halloween. So without further ado, I'm going to go over here because this is going to take us the longest. And actually this recipe is not that hard to make. It's just you have to be patient with it. I'm going to turn this on high for now. You have to watch it. And I have 1 cup of sugar. We're going to put it in here. Why am I going to put it on this pan? Because I like the shape. That's why. I just like the shape of it. If you want it flat, whatever pan you would prefer is fine. You can do whatever you want. But I'm just giving you the basics, and you can make it your own. But I absolutely like the shape of this. The trick to this is not to go too far. Do not go when this sugar goes black. If it goes black, it's going to be bitter, and that caramel is going to be terrible. You do not want that. So we are going to be very patient. I'm going to put it on high, and as soon as I see that it starts heating up, I'm going to lower it to medium high. And if I have to put it on medium low, I will put it on medium low. This hat is driving me crazy because it's going sideways. I will be taking it off shortly. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so see guys, it starts lumping. The sugar starts to become like in lumps. This is where I lower my temperature. Medium low. Because I don't want my sugar to burn. You don't want to do that at all. And I just move it around. Like I said, this is the most tedious part of the recipe because everything else is super easy. And after this, after a little while, is going to melt. It's going to be like watery, not watery, close to watery, but it will have, it's not going to be crystallized like this. It is going to change colors. Okay guys, see, I'm still working on it. It is already starting to melt. I warn you guys, this could get very hot. So be very, very careful. We're halfway there. Halfway there. Oh, we're melting. We're getting there. This is what we want to see. Don't worry about the clumps. It will liquefy. So don't worry about it. Just be patient. And you will have a beautiful caramel. Okay guys, so when you're seeing this, this is when I'm going to put it to low. Because I do not want this to burn, so I'm going to take my time to make sure that all of these lumps disappear and have a beautiful color for my caramel, and it does not burn. So this is the time that you need to lower your temperature. Don't risk it. Alright guys, so we're still working on it. I want the sugar to be a little bit more liquefied. But this is where we are so far. We're very close. Alright guys, this is our caramel right here. So I'm just going to start moving it around because it's going to start being liquid, and it's going to start caramelizing back up. Not caramelizing, but I mean crystallizing back up. So I just want the whole pan to have this caramel. So you're just gonna keep on moving it around until it dries. Now when it starts drying, and when you stop, it's going to do this crackling sound. Ooh, there goes some sugar. Don't worry about it. It's supposed to do that. Okay guys, we're going to let that caramel cool off, and we're going to put this on 350 and start it. So that's going to be preheating when we're moving to this area, and we're going to be adding all the ingredients together. Okay, right? Okay, I'm going to start right here. Right here we have evaporated milk, 13 ounces, and to that we have 4 eggs. We're going to mix them. Doesn't have to be super perfect as long as it's kind of mixed. We'll put it in. There you go. After that, I have 1 pound of pumpkin. I made this pumpkin fresh, real pumpkin. I boiled it, a little bit of salt, water, and it's 1 pound. You don't want to do that part, that's fine. You can go ahead and buy the canned pumpkin. As long as you have 1 pound, you can use that, okay? But I am using the real thing, okay? So I'm putting it in. It's already been measured and everything. Just put it in with the rest of the evaporated milk. And I will put a picture of the pumpkin that I used to boil and the pumpkin that I selected to use, okay? So we'll put that there. What do we have here? We have 1 teaspoon of cornstarch right here, throwing it in. It doesn't want to go in because it's being temperamental and it's going to give me a hard time, but that's okay. We have a spoon here or something to get it out, not a problem. 1/4 of salt, this is kosher, goes in. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and it goes. Perfect. And we have 2/3 of sugar, and it goes. 1 big tablespoonful of butter. Wonderful, delicious butter. I love butter. Goes great with everything, just like wearing black. All right, so put it all in. And I am going to be using my mixer to mix it all up. My oven is already in 350 degrees. Get this out of here. And I'm gonna start mixing. Hopefully I don't wear my pumpkin mixture here. All right, let's have some fun. I'm gonna go low. Until all the ingredients are completely mixed. Now I would suggest taste it for flavor if you need to add a little bit of more salt or if you want more sugar. It's your discretion. I don't know if you hear the crack. If you hear that, that's normal. Don't worry. It's not gonna explode or anything. My mixture is perfect. This is going to have to be cooked on a water bath. In Puerto Rico, where I'm from, we call it Baño de Maria. Maria's bath. I don't know why they call it that. Anyway, just deal with me. So, it's okay. And we're gonna pour all of our mixture into this, whether it's crackling or not, who cares? Who cares? Just gonna throw it in. It's just cooling off, that's all it's doing. That's right. Perfect. And now we're gonna put it on our Maria's bath. My hands are a little dirty, don't worry about it. I'm gonna put it here. Make sure that whatever container that you have, it is lower than this, because if not, it's gonna pour in. So make sure you don't have the water that is gonna go inside of your flan. So I am going to move it this way. This is ready. Now, one more thing. It's gonna take about 1 hour and 45 minutes. So you got plenty of time to do whatever else you need to do. We're gonna put it in the oven, and I will see you in about 1 hour and 45 minutes. Okay guys, so I have waited long enough. It's cold. Hopefully, crossing fingers. How beautiful it looks, right? We are just going to flip it now. So hopefully I'll do this right. Let's move it over here. looks like it's all down. So I'm going to go ahead and remove middle part. Oh my goodness. I don't want to lose any of the... Look at that. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to cut it, but I know it's absolutely wonderful. So I'm going to have this little bit here. Super delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe. It tastes absolutely great. You can absolutely, if you want to substitute the pumpkin for sweet potatoes, you could probably do that too. This is great. I recommend it. Love it. Look at this. It's absolutely great. And it tastes wonderful. Okay, I will see you the following Saturday. Thank you so much for joining me at Lady Fire's Kitchen. And we will see you soon with another great recipe. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell.